Your phone buzzes, generator maintenance due. You exhale, another call, another window, another morning listening for a truck while the dog declares war on the doorbell. One more thing on a crowded calendar. You tap the link in your email and see good, better, best, and your eyes find the lowest number and it feels efficient. One visit, check the box, and to be fair, the factory standard plan is fine for a normal year. It's built around about 100 hours of real runtime, but you didn't buy backup power for normal. You bought it for the week the grid taps out, for a fridge that must stay cold, for medical devices that must stay on. That's where normal year math breaks. Picture the fourth straight day of an outage, roughly 96 hours of steady running. The house is calm, the generator hums, then the simple question hits. What happens on day 5? Do you stop mid-storm for service or step up now so you don't face that choice later? That's why we built Twice the Life. It isn't about shiny parts. It's about removing weak links so the machine you already own keeps doing its job when storms run long. Here's how we make it storm ready. Air first. Our high-flow synthetic nanofiber air filter resists humidity so the engine keeps breathing. Oil filtration next. Bargain coffee filter, expect grounds in the cup and between your teeth. The high-end barista filter gives a smooth cup. Basic oil filter versus our extended capacity filter is the same idea. Spark under load. Factory plugs are the free gas station lighter. Sometimes they catch, sometimes they don't. NGK is the storm-proof lighter. One click, steady flame under heavy load. Oil itself. Off-the-shelf SAE synthetic is a boxed cake mix. IOA engine treatment, our special additive package, adds grandma's secret ingredients to that same box mix and turns it into her famous cake, the best on the table. IOA turns standard SAE car oil into generator oil, tuned for steady heat and long hours. What does that buy you? Up to 200 hours between services instead of about 100. 8 full days of consistent runtime when life demands it. You still follow the good habit during long runs, shut down briefly every approximately 48 hours to check and top off oil. You avoid the mid-storm service dilemma. You stay in control because these components are built for the long haul. Your main service interval doubles. One visit every 2 years. Half the calls, half the waits, fewer interruptions at your door, and more time back. It's also the best value over 2 years. You avoid a second annual visit, gain double the runtime buffer for real storms, and your engine runs easier under load. Simple, practical, calm. If that's the outcome you want, tell your advisor, let's go with Twice the Life. Then forget about it for the next 2 years. When the next storm takes a swing, your lights stay on, your food stays cold, your devices stay powered, and you keep living.